Hello, thank you for joining us to learn about the resources for the Transitional Kindergarten to Kindergarten Summer School Academy. You'll be able to access your resources from the Google Classroom setup for staff. Once you're in your Google Classroom, choose your grade level. Today, we're going to take a look at the Incoming Kindergartners Kinder Bridge program. Incoming kindergartners use a TK and preschool curriculum called DLM Express. Go ahead and click on the resources and click on Copy of Incoming Kindergarten. Once this document loads, you will have everything you need linked to this overview slide or document. Let's take a closer look at the block overview schedule. This schedule was developed for a maximum of 15 students per classroom. You'll notice that there may be around 4 to 5 students in small group rotations, and there are suggestions for rotations included in your teacher's edition and embedded into your curriculum. On the first page of this block overview schedule, you'll see how your whole group time is blocked out. You will have a morning welcome time. There are 5 whole group blocks and a block of handwriting without tears. The small group rotation lessons should alternate in between the whole group lesson time and consist of a teacher-led, an IA-led, and 2 independent practice sessions. Please rotate through the groups, trying not to have students do 2 independent rotations in a row. Up at the top of this page, over here there's a link, and here there's a link to a slide that has some suggestions of how you may alternate your whole group and small group time, having a small group rotation in between a whole group lesson. On the second page, you'll see a visual of how your day may or may not look. Please use your teacher's judgment when making instructional decisions about what to teach and when. This is just a suggestion on how to pace your day with alternating group times. This overview schedule includes both the whole group and small group suggestions. You'll see an overview of the different instructional choices you have on this page, with just by the subject area. Please consider how this may look in a play-based instructional environment. Down at the bottom here, there is a link for the dramatic playtime. This document includes what dramatic play may or may not look like according to guidelines from the state, and includes some questions to help promote conversations during dramatic play area time. If we take a closer look at the third page, it includes a weekly plan and a day-by-day suggestions. You'll notice that you have a link up at the top to a resource slide deck for either the teacher or the iAid. This resource includes many videos, printouts, and visuals you may need to teach your lesson. The slide deck does not replace your TE, but we hope that it helps enhance it. The weekly plan includes vocabulary that you'll need for the week, the pages to help find the lessons at a quick glance, and a basic description of the lessons for planning purposes. When it comes to the materials, your site and the slide deck should have all that you need. Books, math manipulatives, and items that were requested in the program were sent to each site. However, some of the books were not available, so please check the slide deck because that slide deck does have access to the videos for those books. There may be other resources on that slide deck for you to print, a video that goes along with a lesson that you might want to use to watch, and extra pictures for extra visuals for you for those lessons. The Learning Without Tears resources are included with your package that you should receive at your site. It is not on the slide deck, but please see that it is part of your weekly curriculum and your day. It's just not part of your presentation. Thank you so much for making this a fun, play-based learning experience for our students. Please use your Google Classroom to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much for teaching our littles. Have a great day.